The last time that this signal flashed on the Bitcoin price action, Bitcoin went towards the new all-time high, and right now Bitcoin is about to flash the signal yet again here on the price chart of Bitcoin right now. So in this exact video I will be talking about this signal that is about to flash for Bitcoin in the coming 4 days ahead of ourselves. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will be going over my most important trades, of course, that is currently in a profit of $1,700 US, the most important charts in crypto, and much more important things. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 350 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at that imminent short term of Bitcoin, we can currently start to see that the imminent short term of Bitcoin is just absolutely going parabolic. And the question really remains, how long is this parabolic trend going to be sticking with us? Because yesterday I talked about the price chart of Bitcoin and I talked about this region right here. I said if we're going to consolidate sideways for a little bit longer, probably the parabolic trend is going to end and we're going to see some more suppression in the price action or some more sideways price action, right? And I also said if we are able to create more faster higher highs and more exponential higher lows, we could of course continue this trend. But right now it's going to be important to look at whether we're going to be breaking below the previous high in the market, what currently is of course important support. We should be looking at if we are potentially going to create a potential bull flag right now in the price action of Bitcoin. There are many things to look at right now here. However, if I do open up the RSI, so the momentum indicator on Bitcoin, I don't want to break the party. I don't want to be the guy that's going to tell you Bitcoin is going to come down now. However, I am taking this slow. I am not opening up a new scalp trade right now because in my opinion, it's just too risky. Because right now in the imminent short term, we can see the RSI is forming a lower high, while in fact the price action on Bitcoin is forming a higher high. So we are currently creating a bearish divergence. I want to point this out here. We could still see a further continuation towards the upside because we're still in the parabolic trend, but currently there are some warning signals for the imminent short term for Bitcoin. However, if I do look at the bigger picture, so at the 4-hourly time frame, I have said it several times before, my target after we broke above $17,000 is around that $18,000 barrier, where we're going to be breaking it right now in a straight line towards the upside, or whether we're going to be breaking it in a couple days and we're first going to see some sideways or some price suppression on Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter. I am still expecting that Bitcoin is going to crush up towards $18,000. However, we are in a pretty exponential move. You can see it also on the 4-hourly time frame. And for me, the question really remains, for how long can we keep up this pace here? Because yeah, usually if Bitcoin is going in such kind of a parabolic move, it tends to come down very quickly also again. So I will remain cautious. I am currently still long on Bitcoin, like everyone knows. So for me, if the price action goes up, it will be amazing. But for everyone who's asking me in the comment section down below, when should I open up my new trade on Bitcoin? I just should not open up a new long position right now because in my opinion, it's just too risky. If, however, Bitcoin falls down to $17,000, that is the point where I will be opening up a new long position, and that is going to be a scalp position because that is going to be a beautiful entry in my opinion. However, we've not touched it yet so far. Also on this potential upward sloping support line, we could find a lot of support. So if we do move down, a small retracement, then I'm going to look at new long positions. If we continue the trend towards the upside, it will be amazing. However, I am not opening up new trades right now here. Looking then at the 4-hourly time frame, we also exactly reached our price target of the symmetrical triangle we have been talking about for quite a while on the channel. We broke it towards the upside, beautiful retest, we move up, and right now we reached the target of 17.5k, what was of course our initial price target of this exact breakout of this symmetrical triangle. So that is beautiful. We reached another price target. Then looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin and really looking at the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame, we can see since Bitcoin is pushing towards the upside so quickly, we are starting to see a potential shift in the EMA ribbon. And listen up. The last time the EMA ribbon crossed bullish, it was a fake out. We stayed bullish for an approximately, 5 days, but still we moved up from the point we flipped bullish and approximately 6% towards the upside, but then we had the FTX collapse. However, historically speaking, once the daily EMA ribbon crosses bullish, it tends to indicate a lot of bullish momentum. Look at over here. So we crossed bullish, and after we crossed bullish, we moved up an approximately 13% in just a matter of 4 days. Here as well, we crossed bullish, and after we crossed bullish, we moved up up over 44% in the coming 39 days. And like you can see also over here, boom, 43% in approximately 30 days. And so go on and go on and go on. And like you can see, we've been basically trading in a very long downtrend right here on the daily EMA ribbon. And right now we are coming closer and closer towards a daily EMA ribbon cross, and that could confirm some more bullish momentum on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. However, I'm still going to look at this range right here, the $18,000 to $19,000 as the main resistance. So 18.5k is definitely for me the main level to break here. Bitcoin can move up, but still, in my opinion, the 5k is the most important level of resistance. If we, however, break above this level right here, I will flip extremely bullish. Talking about my swing trade, I'm currently still long on Bitcoin because I am convinced that I am going to be able to catch the exact bear market bottom. Whether we have another crash down to $13,000 to $14,000, I will add more margin. If this was the bottom, I currently got a beautiful entry with an approximately 4 Bitcoin and a position size of $114,000 US. So I'm currently in a swing trade on Bitcoin with $114,000, and I'm enjoying the gains so far of an approximately $1,800 US. And if you are interested in trading yourself as well, you could do so if you sign up an account using the links in the description. You can also claim an additional deposit bonus. I'm currently trading this trade on Bybit, so you can also trade on Bybit if you want so. But if you're living in the US, I would recommend to check out BitGet. BitGet is an exchange that allows you to trade from off the US without KYC, without VPN. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description right now here. But then, talking about this insane signal that currently is flashing, if I am looking at the 2-week time frame on Bitcoin, opening up the MACD here, you can currently see that the 2-week MACD is about to cross bullish for the first time. And let me say this correctly, for the first time in an approximately 392 days here. And once we cross bullish, it's exactly more than 400 days ago for the last time we've been seeing any green on the 2-week MACD. And the last time that the 2-week MACD crossed bullish was right here. And where was that? That was exactly on this candle right here. And after this candle, we moved up towards a new all-time high of Bitcoin. So this is quite a big signal. And like you can see in the previous bear market, where did the bear market ended? Exactly once the 2-week MACD crossed bullish. This is an insane signal that everyone needs to pay attention towards right now. No one has been looking at it. No one has been talking about it. But exactly once this cross happened on the 2-week MACD, on the 2019 bear market, the bear market was over, and we had a significant follow-up rally afterwards because we crossed bullish on this candle right here, and the week after, boom, we saw an insane move towards the upside of an approximately 30 to 40% in just a matter of 1-2 weekly candles. So that is absolutely insane, and no one is talking about this signal right now here. Just like you can see in 2018-2019 bear market, it lasted for 385 days, and look at where we are currently at. We have been sitting in this stage for 392 days. So it's so close to each other. Things are making so much sense, and this could definitely be a confirmation of the potential end of the Bitcoin bear market. So make sure to share this video with everyone out there. This is a huge signal that currently is flashing. And of course, in 4 days from now on, we're going to close this candle, and then we could get a confirmation, or if we are going to pump even more towards the upside, we could get the confirmation of the exact Bitcoin bear market bottom. And that could also well mean that my swing trade position is an absolutely legendary trade, and I'm going to definitely scale up my trade even more after that. So make sure to share this video with everyone out there, because this is a signal that is absolutely mind-blowing. It's epic, it's big, and no one is paying attention towards this signal right now here on the daily time frame as well. We're running in towards that middle range of that bear flag that we're potentially creating right now here. If we break above it, definitely good to see here. And of course, on the weekly time frame, I've talked about this so many times, guys. Talk to everyone out there that I was buying on the legendary support line, and like you can see, we're currently bouncing from off this legendary support line towards the upside, and currently we're trading somewhere around 17.5k, and we moved up an approximately few percent ever since we last touched it. We moved up 7.5%. So is this the exact bottom? That will be absolutely epic, because then the legendary trend line did not only call the bear market bottom in 2018, but also the bear market bottom in the pandemic crash, and also right now in 2023/2022, right? So that's absolutely epic. This was it for me on today's update video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to slap off that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends, because this is a signal that is absolutely epic. See you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.